Begin configuring your air quality feed from the content menu by selecting the air quality tile. In the new window, you will see a preview in the left, where in the left corner, you can click and toggle between content views. The available views are air quality forecast and air quality current. On the right, set a custom name for the feed. Enter a location. Location can be determined by postal code, city and state, city and country, or latitude and longitude. Click the Customize this feed button to make further customizations. Choose a theme. The available themes are blue, hue, and clean and clear. And set a duration for the feed. Default duration is 10 seconds. And choose your delivery method. Options available are HTML, Media RSS, Direct URL, or JSON data. Click the Create Feed button to create your feed. This feed is included in the Everything plan. Learn more about subscriptions and the Everything plan at screenfeed.com/pricing or click on the video. Did you know that ScreenFeed is more than just ready-made feeds? We are your custom data integration and design partner in the digital signage space. Learn more about our full-service creative engineering at screenfeed.com.